Alright, so we're gonna start on this Toyota pickup project. So this is the first one I've done. It was crashed last month. In the front here, frame was bent and got totaled. So we're gonna start doing this one now. So what makes it easier if you start from the front here, just remove the side fenders by removing these bolts here from the top, bolt here, and 2 bolts at the bottom there, 1 bolt here, another bolt here, and the panel should come off. These are the panels. These are the panels. This one's kind of so these are the panels that go on the side, left and right. Side panels from the front. Whoever owned this truck before me painted the truck, however did not remove the molding that goes around here. I don't know what these are called. There's a piece of molding that goes around here, but they didn't remove it, so now I have a high spot here on the paint. I could even catch it with my fingernail. So you're gonna have to remove. I'm gonna have to remove all the high spots from here to make it even, just like this one, so I don't have any high spots on it. When sanding, I don't recommend you going down to the metal, because then you can not warp, but you can alter the image of the body style. So just try to go right down to the primer of the truck on this stuff. So once we take off these panels here, I recommend you taking off the doors as well. These are easy to take off. Just unplug all the wiring from here, but I'll show you guys how to do that later on. Right now I don't have the paint to even start doing this stuff. It's easy. Just take off these two bolts here, 2 bolts here from the side of the. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but sorry about that. But it's kind of. You can see the 2 bolts here, and there's 2 bolts there you can take off from there. Just take off the door and start sanding it. I'll show you how to start sanding it. So I don't even know why they could not take these off. I don't know what these are called. They didn't take them off when they painted the truck. They left them on. I guess they were lazy and they just left them on like that and painted over these. I guess they put tape around it. But when doing a job like this, I mean, I recommend doing it well, because why would you even do your job like that? Crappy. I wouldn't do a crappy job like that. Just do it good the first time, and then it should last you. On paint, I recommend using good quality paint. On this one, I'm planning to use a PPG paint. I guess that's a good quality paint. It's a little expensive, but I mean, if you're gonna paint the truck, why not make it, So on this one, they use I believe a 1-stage paint on it. It's not that good. I don't even know why they put lines on here. I guess they decided that it would look good with lines. I guess they put tape on there and then put some spray paint. Rattle can, spray can on it. And I guess they wanted to make it look like a fast car, which is with these engines are not very good at speed, but they are reliable. They're reliable. Just watch out with that head gasket. They tend to blow up. But they're reliable. My dad has had his 4Runner for the past 22 years. I don't even know. He hasn't had a head gasket issue on it. So yeah, this is the truck I'm gonna start working on. Right now I sanded one side panel today. I'm sanding the other panel and then work my way with the hood. I mean, when doing these kind of projects, it's do section by section. So just do the hood, side panels, the doors. You know, you start a door tomorrow. May take you 2 days for a door to sand it down and get it right. And then you can work your way in the interior. The interior was basically like this one on my other truck, but I was rebuilding it little by little. Some parts from the 4Runner may fit on the truck, and some parts don't fit with the 4Runner. But I'll show you guys what fits and what doesn't fit on it. So this is on this truck. It's the same thing. I mean, right now it's a mess in there, but I put the seats from a 4Runner on the truck. The seats from a 4Runner on this truck. I painted the interior as well gray. Painted the interior gray because it was blue. I really didn't like the blue that much, so I decided to go gray with it. With the black dash. I already bought the dash for this truck, but I was gonna put it on the day before they crashed it. Well, yeah, the day before they crashed it, but it just didn't work out, and they totaled the truck. Well, yeah, it happens. They crash stuff. So the bed, to save a little paint for my project, to save a little paint, I'm gonna use this bed put on that truck right now, and then I'll just do the cap, sand the cap down, do all the Bondo work, which I'll show you guys how to do. I mean, I don't do body shop stuff, but this is like that was my first truck I done. This will be my second one. So yeah. So right now we're gonna start on this truck. Oh, the box. The box I'll show you guys how to do it later. How to take out the box. It's kind of simple to take it off. I already did the engine work on this. It was idling high. It was kind of like revving up and down. That was because of the sensors in the back. What is this called? The sensor rail. It was clogged up with rust. I took it off, unclogged it, bought a new gasket for it and everything. Unfortunately for this truck, they used I guess 100% water, and I mean, it looks like crap in there. It's full of rust and all that stuff. So I did flush it out, but I'm gonna do a better job by changing out the radiator and all that stuff, which is, I know it's a lot of work. The hood's rusted, but believe me, when you're done with the entire project, you'll be very happy, and very happy with your truck. It looked brand new. This one was basically the same thing as well. Did all the body work, all the engine work and all that, but unfortunately they did crash it. Yeah. Just the hood. It's always, I don't know why these hoods always come loose. But there's a little thing they could put in, like what's it called, a quick seal. So yeah, I'm gonna work on this. So yeah, that's about it there, and thank you guys for watching. Keep you posted with all the stuff, and yeah.